As a user of Bolt-On Technology software, you already know that we automate setting up that next appointment with a reminder text message that goes out a week in advance. But sometimes your customers are not going to respond to all that. So we give you the ability to manually go in and look at your calendar in your management system and send messages to each of your customers that may not have responded to the automatic ones. So let's take a look and see how easy that is, and then we'll talk about it again when we're done. As you know, LoopSticker Pro, when you hit print, makes appointments all throughout the calendar. And a week before that service is due, we will automatically send out a reminder text message to let them know it's coming up. But sometimes your customers are going to be busy, or they're just going to plain forget or not respond. So that's what the calendar function is about. The calendar function here, when we open it up and have appointments selected, will go right into the calendar of your management system and list any appointments that are outstanding for today or the day you look up. And with just a few clicks, you can very easily send a pre-built template that customizes itself to that customer as a reminder out to them. And they're going to probably text back and say, hey, can I come in now? Or can I come in tomorrow? Whatever it might be. But with just a few clicks, you have the ability to recontact all your customers that have appointments and haven't responded. Every time a customer shows up at your shop, that's your chance to make more money. So using this method and going in there, and even though it's manual and doing it maybe once a week, if you bring 2 vehicles in, you've just benefited from it. So take a look at this, look at what we just talked about, and make it part of your routine at least once a week.